We're back on the water, headed south for a haul out. It's time to get this boat fixed up.
That kid's driving the boat!
We're showing you what life is like on a sailboat with kids.
You ready for lunch? Pizza?
Yeah.
Meals, schooling, and more.
We had a little bit of a low boost pressure issue.
We're along Florida's Intercoastal Waterway, heading towards Fort Pierce for a scheduled haul out. Are you ready? Let's do it. First things first.
And then put it into a hard shell. Yeah, instead of a... Yeah.
We are dropping off our life raft for servicing before heading back to Calypso to shove off the dock tomorrow. Good morning. We're on the way south, motoring along the ICW.
That's hilarious.
It's so nice being out here again. I figured why not grab a drink and relax on the bow for a bit. All right, back out here in my bikinis. Oh, this is a one piece though today. So it feels really good to be back out here. If you've been following along on our YouTube channel or Instagrams, whatever, you know that we've been doing a ton of boat work to the boat. And we kind of lost sight of like why we love this so much. And then today we both realized why we love this so much. My husband's like, you know, this is great. You're like dancing around again. This is why I love this. All it took was a hot bikini and we found our love for cruising again. So looks like we're gonna be off and on our way to some pretty amazing places. That works, right? All right, so since we're going on the hard, I'm gonna see if Rhys would like to have a frozen pizza. Those are his favorite, but he's not allowed to eat those every day. But we're going on the hard, and I'm trying not to leave food to waste just in case we lose power. So let's see his response. Are you ready for lunch?
Yeah.
Would you like a pizza?
Yeah.
No, not you, honey.
I'm not allowed anymore. I've been shut off.
Come on, you're gonna make it.
Okay.
You seem like very excited.
Yeah.
I think you already knew I was gonna offer pizza since we're losing power, huh?
Yeah.
Is this your favorite thing to eat?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I think it's every little boy's favorite thing. Let me see your favorite kind. What are you doing? Get off of that. You're not allowed on that. Are you gonna make chicken nuggets?
Yeah.
Would you like some chicken nuggets? You gonna do your own? Come on, come get the chicken nuggets.
Okay.
Yep, there you go. Oh, big jump. Go to your step.
Mom, they stopped using the silver trays in here.
Oh, cutting costs. How many do you eat? 5? 10?
Yeah.
Wow, that's a lot of chicken nuggets.
Mom, I hold it.
Oh, you want to try to hold it for me? 2 hands. 2 hands, keep it steady. Good job. Think she got you in the picture? Oh. All right, well, get your foil out. Go ahead and pick your chicken nuggets out.
One.
Can you start the air fryer for me?
Yes.
No, it's already on because the microwave's on. They're connected together, but will you tell me, what do you think you hit?
Start.
Yeah. And it'll heat up. You got that going, 2 minutes. Isn't it amazing we can run both? I know to you, you're like, well, it just works, but it's pretty amazing to be able to run both. You lost a chicken nugget. Now how many you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You're counting the same ones twice.
10.
You have 10?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll go with that.
We're using tinfoil.
Now, normally you wouldn't want to just do that. Oh, you never started it. There, now it's going. Go ahead. Now, we need to put some healthy options with this, guys. Can you get the carrots and stuff for me, Rhys?
Then yogurt.
And yogurt. All right, my eating kiddos. There's your unhealthy thing, but first you must eat your healthy thing. Carrots. Here's some yogurt for Brinzy. Waiting on her chicken nuggets, and then I'm gonna make Mommy and Daddy some lunch. You guys enjoy. Say it's so delicious.
It's so delicious.
What are your thoughts?
Yum.
Carrots? I love carrots.
They're good.
They're good for you. Are you ready for lunch?
Yeah. Pizza?
Can you drop your phone like you're not on it?
Well, it doesn't work anymore. It doesn't ring anymore, so I'm like... No, what's up? What do we have? Yesterday's dinner?
No, I have no leftovers. You ate it all.
Oh man, that was so good. That was like I'm in Annapolis and we're going cruising on our mega yacht, like sailboat from our estate, just to have this dinner type of sailboat meal.
Wow,
It was
that's
good.
impressive.
It was impressive. Well, what's for lunch?
I don't know, I'm just trying to use
thought you-
stuff up so it doesn't go bad on the heart. It will have power, but I don't want to leave open food that will rot. So
Yeah, so what are we having?
I'm thinking like a turkey sandwich for you and maybe egg salad or tuna for me. I don't know.
Sounds good. All that
Yeah.
sounds good.
Yeah, I'll figure it out. I'll bring the GoPro with me. We need a different mount because this one I have to hold.
There's a bunch of mounts in there.
Yeah, I'm gonna go look. Cooking is one of my favorite things to do, especially on board where you need to be a little creative. While Jeremiah drives the boat, I'll whip up something yummy for us to eat. All right, both kids have eaten. Mom and Dad's are ready. Little hard-boiled egg action. I had a lot of eggs. I made some fresh ones. You can really tell a difference.
Thanks, babe.
That's mine. You're welcome.
That's so nice.
Would you like to have lunch with me?
I'd love to. Thank you for the invite.
You're
It
welcome.
looks wonderful.
Good. Come eat. And to top it off, the second mate can drive the boat while we sit down and have lunch together.
So we just had the watermaker installation finished. We took it out one night to anchor. We tested it. We had a little bit of a low boost pressure issue. We had the issue addressed, but we haven't had a chance to test it ourselves. We wanted to wait till we came out here, so I'm gonna do that now. We went with a blue watermaker this time. So the specs just gone. The membrane's up here on the ceiling. Unit, filters, and then there's a couple more over here for the carbon, or for the freshwater flush and stuff like that. This thing makes 25 gallons an hour on DC power, which is pretty freaking cool. It did make that when we tested it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and start it. I'm gonna maybe do a freshwater flush on it. Then maybe I won't. But I'm just gonna go ahead and open the through hull. It's gonna be loud down there, so I won't be able to talk, but I'm gonna open through hull and I'm gonna come back here and run the unit and see. Well, I might run it down there first to see if there's any leaks, but let's see how it goes. See if we can make some water. Bye, guys. Hi, Brand. Just got the new panel right here. And then down here's the through hull. This is also where the prop is. So it's pretty loud. All right, so what I'm gonna do is just turn the low pressure pump on and see if we have any leaks down there before I actually power the system up. That's a pretty beefy low pressure boost pump. All right, we'll go see if that thing's running. Make sure it doesn't have any leaks. I think that's running. I'll take a look at the gauge, but if that's running, I'll go ahead and start it and it should all be automatic. Yeah, low pressure, super high. So start. Originally, the low boost wasn't getting over 4 and it was shutting off. Now that thing is like way up there. So that low boost pump, they put a different one in there. That boost pump is really killing it. It's because it's so long, the area is so far from here all the way to the watermaker. It's like 12 feet and it goes uphill. So we needed some extra boost. Nice. So it's making water. I think it was right around 26 gallons an hour. It's awesome, man. Like easy, and it's supposed to be reliable, which is huge because that's the opposite of what we had. If we can make it where we're just like abundant water, and that'd be so different than what we've dealt with that pressure.
Learning how to man the boat?
Yeah.
What you think?
Good.
Are you liking it?
Yeah.
Tell me what you've learned so far, but pay attention to what you're doing.
Watch out for crab pots. People sailing have the right of way, and stay on the channel.
Stay on the channel.
Yeah.
Yes. And then what happens when we get waked? What are you supposed to do?
Supposed to drive into it.
Yeah.
But yeah, I didn't really get taught that. I just don't.
You just know that? Yeah, from so many years on the boat. It's interesting that now you're asking us to drive the boat.
Yeah.
Why is that? You just like learning about it, or
No.
gives you something to do?
Yeah.
Do you think one day you'll be able to be up here without us?
Maybe.
Yeah,
Maybe in a couple months.
yeah, I think we're getting there. I remember when you couldn't even see over the helm.
That's what Dad said.
You're like right here.
You'd have to tell me which way to go.
Yes. You're learning about the charts and how to read them?
Yeah.
He's trying to identify this sailing cat up here, and we have to pass it.
It ends in H.
All right, full fire still, but he looks like he's peeling off, but Rhys might have to call him and say we're gonna pass. But he has the helm, he's been doing it like a lot. It's nice, I'm like going to take a nap now.
Yeah, I don't know if we're ready for that. Boat's been handling pretty well, I think, right?
Knock on wood,
Oh.
it's right there.
Yeah, no kidding. Going to Fort Pierce, we're gonna haul out, get a bunch of stuff done, hopefully in like a week time frame. Tonight we're gonna pull into a slip to make it easier to haul out the next day because winds are kicking up, and then we'll be going back into a wet slip so the solar guys can wrap it up, and then we'll be off again.
Yep.
I think that'll pretty much get everything sorted except for our generator. It's now giving us issues, but we're kind of like gonna relax with that, just work on it here and there. We're hoping we have enough batteries and solar power to keep everything going, and we should.
All right. So we'll come a little closer, but you're going to call them on the radio here soon. The button you push is right here. You're going to call the boats. There you'll say their boat, Calypso.
Learning how to pass other vessels is pretty important.
Stay to the right a little bit. Yeah, give me a lot of space. You want to look and make sure now you're passing. You watch, make sure he's set safe, and you get back in the channel. That's cool. Good job, Rhys. You did good. Look, there's little kids on there looking at you like, that kid's driving the boat.
Coming up next time.
And then Monday we're going to haul out.
I'm excited to go.
It's a really nice marina. It's an all-nude marina, so you really don't need clothes, honey.
Somebody made me get dressed for the video.
It's time to hop off Calypso and haul her out of the water. This will be a fast stop, but we're getting a ton accomplished, all while living on the hard.
Go through everything, take inventory, check expiration date.
The work never seems to end, but that's okay. We love it. Thanks for watching. You can visit us at www.thelazygeckos.com. You can also see more on our server and Vimeo channels. Please subscribe and check out these other episodes. See you next time.